If you are a person who is having a store of, let's say, clothes, stationery or watches or etc., then definitely you want your presence online, and for that website would be the best solution for you. At the same time, if you are an individual person or a fresher, an employee who want to apply for big companies, that company will ask you about your portfolio. Or if you are a student or a common person and want to show or impress others by showing them what you build as a website. Now, if you are a developer, that seems to be easy task for you. What if you don't know development? So this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step procedure to create a website using ChatGPT. So don't miss a single part of this particular video. In the last of this video, I'm going to show you a pro tip which will going to save you thousands of money. So let's get started with the video. So here are we onto the ChatGPT platform. Now we will create the websites using ChatGPT. Also, you can run that particular website either on any online compiler like Programmist online HTML editor, or you can simply use a local Visual Studio Code in order to run that particular website. It's totally depend on you. So for this video, we will going to use Visual Studio Code. Let's start with the website creation. We will give a command to ChatGPT in order to build different pages of the website. Now, if you don't know which pages are included in your website, you can simply ask the same question on ChatGPT also. Let's start with that. So, what are different pages of an e-commerce website? So here we will get all the pages of an e-commerce website: home page, product listing page, product detail page, cart, checkout page, order confirmation page, user account profile page, wish list or favorite search result, contact us page, and so. Now let's create or develop one of the page. Design an interactive UI friendly and responsive homepage of an e-commerce website using HTML, CSS and JS if needed. Okay, and JavaScript. So let's enter it. Here it will give us all the portion needed here. So here they mix up with design. Okay, so let's copy it and create a file here. So let's suppose I want to create index.html, paste it. Now here is an important thing. In order to run an HTML file, you need live server, and you can download a live server using Visual Studio Code extension by simply searching live server here, and you will get such a logo of live server, and you can download it by clicking or install it by clicking onto this particular live server. I already installed it, so let's run it by simply clicking here, that is go live. Now here you can see it created a very basic website for us. So here we have some product images, so you can simply add a product image here. So let's take a local image here in order to show, and let's go on to Visual Studio Code. I already added an image, so let's substitute this particular source by simply image I added, Control S. Okay, so here you can see my image is already added. Now you can fix it simply by commanding onto ChatGPT, that is height, or you can simply adding height or width here. So let's suppose I want to give height of 200 px and width of 100 px. Copy the same style and paste it here. Here you can see how it looks. So just make it more user friendly by simply changing the width. So here you can see the listing of 2 products. Now you can simply design more using ChatGPT. So let's suppose I want this particular header to be more interactive. So let's go here, design above header more appropriately. So here what that does is they actually rewrite the code. So let's copy the code, paste it down. Now replace our product again with iPhone. Just replace the height with 200 px, width by 150 px now. px. You can also do this work using ChatGPT also. So here you can see more appropriate website with the heading of the website, that is welcome to my e-commerce web store. Your one-stop shop for quality products. In that way, it is showing a header in a more appropriate way, that is home, product, about, and context us. These are the different pages which are going to be included in our website. Also, it listed the featured product, that is our iPhones and other products. Now let's create different pages like products page, about us page, and contact us page. So I think home and product page is this. Now create, let's say, about us page. Go here onto ChatGPT, create an about us page. Let's save. So here you can see our about us page. Let's copy and paste there and use it. So let's create a new file, that is about.html, paste the content. Here you can see that how we can navigate from home to this about page. So for that also we are going to use ChatGPT. Write a listener for redirecting onto about us page from header A. That is A is for anchor tag in JavaScript. That would be this one. So here when user click on about us, it should redirect us onto about us page. As you can see, it generated a script, that is JavaScript, and here you can see that is redirecting us onto this. So simply copy this particular script and paste it onto HTML here, and simply you need this particular ID, that is about link. So about link, for mapping purpose we need to simply add this particular ID here, about link. Now let's save it, go onto the website and just click onto about us. Great. So here you can see how we redirected to our about us page. Now that seems to be very good, and in that similar way, let's change the redirection again to home page. So in that way you created a home page for your website, also the about us page for your website. Now I don't think that the home page looks quite good. Let's suppose you are not happy with what ChatGPT gives us as a result. You want to add more design to this particular home page. So let's go on to ChatGPT and generate another home page by simply writing a different kind of prompt. I already write a prompt, so let's read it. You are a talented web designer creating an interactive home page for an e-commerce website. The website is of fashion retail brand named Fashion Hub. Let's suppose the brand wants a modern and stylish design to showcase their latest collection and provide a user-friendly experience. The homepage should include a visually appealing banner, featured product section, and easy navigation links. Keep in mind the responsive design of various designs. Generate the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the homepage. So not generate, just write code in the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the home page. Let's submit it and let's see how it generates. Now here you can see there are different things given here. So let's copy it and paste it here. So let's suppose it's our home.html. Let's paste it here, save, and you can also include the design. So go back and style file. So new file style.css, paste it, Control S. Now you need to again add a handler, so you can do the same, that is ID, paste it here, that is our home link, and you can do the same from this thing, putting it down, home link. You can simply generate it by using ChatGPT also, but we already have the reference, so we can simply do it. And you can simply go into the home.html, replacing it with the home link, Control S, and go to our website. So simply click onto the index.html live server. Now here you can see our previous website. Click onto the home page. So here you can see a wonderful designed a home page, that is welcome to Fashion Hub, discover the latest trend in fashion. That is quite better than our previous home page or the product page. Now here you can list the product in the similar way which we did into our page. So let's copy our code from here, from index.html. Let's copy it and paste it onto this section, Control S. Also we're going to copy the CSS container product and so onto style.css file, styles.css, control S. Now coming to the website, it looks quite weird, so let's now, as you can see, this particular homepage is quite more interesting with a very good title and the featured project listed over here. In the similar way, you can modify and develop a very effective pages after lots of iteration onto ChatGPT. Now it's totally depend on you what level you want your website. As you can see, it is quite better than our previous pages. So you can simply use this particular prompt. I will provide you this prompt onto my description, so you can copy and simply paste it onto your ChatGPT and simply modifying their words, you can make a website. And in the similar way, you can create all the different pages by simply repeating this particular prompt and changing the requirement, like you want an home page or an about us page, a login page for user, and so. I hope you found this particular video informative. If so, then you can also watch one of my video on master ChatGPT onto the channel. That will going to help you how you can use ChatGPT more effectively by simply creating different groups on ChatGPT, or simply continue on to single particular group, which we did into this particular video. Now in the similar way, you can create all the pages of your website. You can simply modify the design by simply searching onto the internet, or you can simply generate that particular design using ChatGPT also. If I will do that, it might result in a big video, but I'm quite sure that you can find everything which you want to develop or to design your website using ChatGPT. You will find every solution onto ChatGPT related to what you need in the ChatGPT. Also, the ChatGPT remembering feature will going to help you. You don't need all the description of your website every time on ChatGPT. You just simply refer that, change this into our website, change header title or change header color onto the above website, or let's say change the product display card onto the above website. In that way, ChatGPT will going to remember your code and it will generate the result after that. Now coming to the pro tip, you can simply generate this website and can deploy your website onto the internet so that other user can see and use your website. Now for that, lots of paid services are available, but you can use Netlify, which will going to help you to deploy your website for free. And in the next video, I'm going to do the same. I'm going to simply deploy this demo website onto Netlify in order to generate a domain of this particular website, which we can share to others in order to use this website. And that's quite fun. Let's learn that into next video. Also, if you found this video informative, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos. Thank you very much for watching.